Well, today's recipe is so flavorful, your family will think you've given them another Christmas gift. Howard shows us how to make herb stuffed pork loin in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
With Christmas just a little over a week away, now's the time to start thinking about what to serve. Should it be a traditional ham or turkey, or should you switch things up? If that sounds good to you, we've got a stuffed pork loin that's definitely holiday worthy. We start with a 3 to 4 pound boneless pork loin. Now, with the fat side up, we cut a slit down the center about 1.5 inches deep. And if you're wondering why the fat side goes up, it's because when it roasts, it'll melt and flavor our meat. We set that aside for a sec and mix together some olive oil, salt and pepper, onion powder, along with some minced fresh garlic, chopped fresh sage, and thyme. Now, we rub the roast with this, making sure we get into the opening that we just cut. Once it's coated with all that flavor, we stuff it with a box of quick cooking stuffing mix that we made according to the package instructions and roast it for about 20 minutes per pound. You could even prep this in advance and cook it right before dinner. And when you bring this to the table and slice it, everyone gets to taste one of the most flavorful pork roasts ever, along with a hearty helping of stuffing. I really do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our herb stuffed pork loin so you can give your family a Christmas gift that they'll really eat up. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a festive way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."